Instead of one long messy signal, we now have a short manageable chunks of meaningful sound. Imagine a novel. Instead of reading all 5,000 pages at once, we break it into chapters. And chapters here represent frames, but skip the blank pages. And blank pages are that of silence. Now, if we visualize all three lung sounds, normal, asthma, and pneumonia, and we make it go through all the pre-processing steps that we defined earlier, then we would have something look like this. So all these three, basically this signal is showing the pre-processed signal. Here it is quite visual. If you see it, I will zoom it. And now here if you see, the normal signal show bursts of airflow.